I jump in. Oh, the trampoline. I jump in. I jump in. Oh, the trampoline. I jump in. I jump in. Oh, the trampoline. I jump. Hello. How are you today? Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Happy Friday. Are you ready for the weekend? Let me know in the comment. I'm so excited. Where do you go this weekend? You going for a walk in the mountain or club, or you're going to do some shopping? Just let me know. Comment down below. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to comment. I'm really happy to read your comment. Alright, I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm just here just to say hello to you. Happy Friday, you and your family. God bless you. And keep going. Don't never give up, okay? Keep going. The life is so hard, but you need to keep going, okay? So I hope also that your weight loss journey is going very well. So maybe you lost some weight, so you're happy for that. Or maybe you still maintain your weight, good weight, healthy weight, okay? And also, let me remind you what I'm doing in this channel. I just prepare recipes that are keto friendly and low carb to help people to lose weight or to maintain the weight they want. All right, this is all about. All right, so I really thank you for your help, everything. And yeah, I'm a bit in rush because I have to go to town for a bit of walking. I need to walk to maintain myself, so yeah. So really thank you so much. Please share and comment my video, okay? And yeah, what else? Yeah, I was talking about the live on Instagram, I think yesterday. Yeah, I was talking about it. And yeah, so if you are interested in the live on Instagram, like, just join me on Instagram. Let me know. My name is JustKetoUk. You're never going to forget this name. JustKetoUk, okay? Yeah. So yeah, don't forget. And now I think that I'm going to jump on that trampoline. I just want to show you that I can do it. So let me just jump. I can jump in that trampoline and see how many jumping I can do with the trampoline, okay? I don't know if you have something like trampoline at home, or steps, or cyclette, something that help you to keep your weight, you know, active. You need to be active in the life, yeah. So I'm going to jump in that trampoline, so keep watching the video. It's not finished yet. I promise you I'm going to jump on this trampoline. So I'm here to jump on the trampoline. Oh my god. I'm here, and while I'm jumping, I want to say something else. Oh yeah, some people asking me how I can manage to eat just once a day. And do you know how I can manage? Because I'm doing keto. Yeah, keto helped me to don't feel hungry all the time. This is one of the things is good about keto diet. You're not going to feel hungry all the time. And also, while I'm doing keto, I take MCT oil, especially when I'm doing prolonged fasting. And also, what I also do? Oh yeah, I take also electrolyte. Electrolyte is fabulous. Electrolyte I take every single day. It's helping me a lot. I don't feel any cramp with the electrolyte. So yeah, these are the things. And you can still do your fasting, your intermittent fasting, while you do a high carb diet. The problem is that it's going to be difficult because you're going to feel hungry all the time. But with keto, it's not like that. So if you want, you try keto diet for 1 month, or low carb diet. It's up to you. And thank you really much for watching this crazy video till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.